Okay, hey guys, this is Dennis with Mr. Fix. Okay, we're gonna be doing awesome job today. So for today, we're gonna be adding our websites, our stores on aggregators, on other platforms. So our ranking will be go higher, and basically more and more people will be able to see us, right? Okay, alright, so let's start. What's going on here? Here you can see aggregators Hampton document. Okay, it's right here. That's the name of the document. So this document is just for Hampton store. All other documents are gonna be same type of documents. They're just gonna have a different store name and store information. Okay, alrighty. So let's move on. The goal is here to make sure our Mr. Fix Hampton store is presented on all their searching platforms. If info is missing, you need to register our location. Okay, use info, marked orange, okay, marked orange here, and additional info plus photos, marked green, okay, marked green here. Section listed below for the registration, okay. Check listings. Okay, so first of all, we need to see if our business is actually on these platforms, on these aggregators or not yet. Okay, so we go to Yext. Here it's pretty straightforward. Okay, so what we do here, so that's the company information, and this is what you put in Yext. Okay, from the very beginning. So you select here one location. Here you put Mr. Fix cell phone and computer repair. Okay, business phone number. So in this particular case, it's 757. This one, 774-1114. Okay, first and last name, Mr. Fix. First and last name doesn't matter at all. What matters, business name and business phone number matters a lot. Okay, all right. So let's click scan my listing and let's see what we will see. Okay. Alrighty, so this is the optimization rate. Okay, so Yext is telling us that it is on 35% right now. Okay, here for example on Google, we have wrong address for some reason. Okay, I'm just gonna be going through everything without going through details. So second one, Yahoo is saying not verified through Yext. Okay, and then here for example super pages, it says not found. Okay, so all this stuff, this is the list of all the aggregators, all the websites we have, and you see like on all those platforms our business is not showing at the moment. Okay, so here for example find open, it says different business name, it says Mr. Fix, and it got our address, it got our phone number. So maybe it was uploaded from somewhere, we don't know, but as for now, like this one is okay, but you're definitely gonna be putting all these comments in a spreadsheet. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, what spreadsheet I'm talking about? Okay, this is the Google Excel document or Google Sheets. All platforms are listed here. Okay, so you click on a link, it brings you to the Google Sheets document. Here on the bottom you have different tabs. Okay, so here we are in the Hampton tab. Here on the right is Chesapeake tab. Okay, so Chesapeake tab is already completed, I mean mostly completed. Okay, so you use Chesapeake as an example of, it will just give you an idea of what's going on and like what you're gonna be using and everything, so you just use it as an idea. But basically going through the Chesapeake, you see that's the business name, and then if it's like if it's verified by, for example here, okay, here Uberways. Okay, let's go through this one. Okay, m49.com. Okay, verified by mail, yes. Claimed, yes. Additional photo and info added to this M49 website, yes. Okay, status all set and good to go. Alrighty, so we already finished M49. So here in your Hampton link, you're gonna be going like through all these platforms, and you're gonna be checking all of them to make sure that we have them. Okay, so it's pretty simple. You're just gonna be careful. Here you can see the job information. Okay, shop information. Then let's see here, that's the info. Okay, so you will need to go through this Aggregators Hampton document, but like just to give you a quick idea of what's going on, this is the email address. Okay, so when you go on each website, like this one for example, okay, yellowpagecity.com. Alrighty, so what we're gonna be doing here, you need to see if the business is physically located here or no. Okay, so we put Mr. Fix, cell phone and computer repair. Okay, and then Hampton, this is Hampton, Virginia. Okay, here it is, and then we click find. How do I know address? It is linked, it is showed here. Address 5040 Kilgore Avenue, Hampton. This is the name of the city. VA means Virginia. This is the name of the state, and this is the zip code 23666. Okay, shop hours below, shop's phone number, website, Facebook and Instagram. You're gonna be getting pictures from Facebook, and you can get some from Instagram as well. Okay, so you use these two guys for getting pictures. Okay, alright, so let's see what's going on here. So we type cell phone and computer repair. I just want to try like Newport News. No, it's not us, so no. Let me try. We can also put the zip code. Okay, this is another way, and most of aggregators should be able. So here, Newport News cell phone repair center. No, this is not us. Cell phone zone, Cavalier telephone, cell fashion. Okay, these guys are actually, you see, same zip code. They are located like right across the corner, so they are our main competitors. So our shop is not here. It means it needs to be added. Okay, so now we need to find how we would be adding the shop to this Yellow Page City website. Okay, so what we're looking for, categories. Okay, computers, see more. Okay, so I usually go like to the very bottom or something, like these buttons like claim your business or add your business. They're not usually like so big and bright, so in some cases you can search for them. Okay, so what about this one, add or update your listing? Okay, so let's click and see what happens. Okay, search for your business. Okay, alrighty, so this is the next step. We have the phone number, right? So that's the phone number. We can just simply copy paste the phone number. Okay, so we go back to our aggregator website, and okay, what do we see? No listing found for 7577741114. Okay, so it means we need to put all the information here. Okay, like website, like business zip code, state, category. Category is cell phone and computer repair. So in some cases, these categories, they're gonna be actually coming like from the drop down menu or something. In this case, I guess you gotta put it manually. So we work in cell phone and computer repair business, mostly in the cell phone repair business, but also computer repair business. So you're gonna be looking at categories as cellular, mobile, smartphones, cell phones, computers, and like repairs for all these guys basically. Okay, contact info. Then you put, you can put just Mr. Fix or whatever, our email address, which is provided here as well. So just use this email address. Okay, Mr. Fix Hampton Store. That is fine. Contact phone number, we already know it. Okay, comments or questions. If like anything we want to do, please send more information on adding a website link to my listing, purchasing and add on. No, we don't need all that crap. Then we click this captcha thing, I'm not a robot, submit, and then we're gonna see what happens. Okay, and then it will ask us to claim the business. Okay, so when we're gonna be claiming the business, like there are like a few ways to do that. Mostly they're gonna be asking us to claim by phone number or claim by email address. So if we're able to claim by email address, it's simple. You just go to your email and then you put your passcode, and then you should be able to receive like the confirmation. If you don't see the confirmation, go to the, let me try to go, you're not going to be seeing the email because I didn't create any business at this point, like, but just have the better idea of what's going on here. So here we would be looking for Mr. Fix Hampton store, whatever, don't have it signed in right now. This guy, for example, like you go through like different categories, and then you look here, like make sure it's in might be in updates, in promotion, in social, or like it is also possible that it can be in spam folder, for example, and it might be here, like, so if you're missing confirmation, check here, or you can simply go to the search and manually type yellow and see if everything pops up. Okay, so this is how we claim business. If you can't claim the business, if it says like claim by cell phone or something, in that case you need to make a note here, status needs to be claimed by phone, right? Or we actually probably gonna be putting that here. Okay, here, like just to make it nice, you can select this text wrapping, so it's like it's gonna stay in this cell. Alrighty, so that's pretty much it. Here, like when you scroll down, you see additional info and photos. This is where you're using pictures from, what to do step by step, like just go through the link, check our location availability, go through the registration. You need to pay anything, search for a free registration, no free registration is available, make a note in the Google Sheets, okay, that we know about already. Okay, then details about your business. So this is the section where we have all the keywords, all the important information. So basically you use all this information to put it in the yellow page website. Okay, so whenever it will ask you like complete your listing, you use those products and services, those keywords, depends how much space you have. Okay, so the limit for characters might be like 100 characters, for example, and then you use only like main part, like like this part, and then maybe like something from here. If you have a limit of 5,000 characters or 500 letters, for example, like then you can use like everything pretty much. So basically, the more keywords we use is better for us, because we're gonna be ranking high, right? Because when people search for iPhone screen replacement, for example, Google will see that we have this phrase iPhone screen replacement on yellow page city, and might show our listing, like in somebody's Google search. Okay, alright, so this is why we're doing that. So please be super careful. First time it might take more time, but then once you get used to it, it's pretty simple. Nothing complicated here. Just gotta be careful and like follow the instructions. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. So yeah, thank you very much for your time. I definitely think that you will be able to get it done. So if you will have any questions, you can ask me directly. My name is Dennis, or there somebody from Mr. Fix team will be with you to guide you through in case you have any questions or anything, like that. But please, before asking questions, please make sure to watch this video. Okay, if you're not getting the point, rewatch the video again, and then go through the this aggregator document and ask your questions only after that, because all of them should be here. Okay. Alrighty, so thank you very much.